going to learn some interesting facts about flamingos. Are you ready? A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. There are only 6 species of flamingos in the world. Flamingos live 20 to 30 years in the wild or up to 70 years in a zoo. They live around lagoons or lakes. Did you know flamingos don't have teeth? The color of a flamingo's feathers is caused by carotenoid pigments in their food. The same pigments that make tomatoes red and carrots orange. They eat algae, small seeds, tiny crustaceans, fly larvae, and other plants and animals that live in shallow waters. Flamingos can fly to very high altitudes and can fly for a very long distance at a very high speed. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white and take up to 3 years to reach their mature pink, orange, or red plumage. The newborn flamingo chicks are exclusively fed with the red-colored crop milk, which both males and females produce. The backward bending knee of a flamingo's leg is the bird's ankle. Flamingos plunge its head upside down into the water and scoops the fish using its upper beak like a shovel. They sleep with their heads on their backs and often rest by standing for long periods on one leg. Their long and lanky legs have a special feature where they can lock their leg into place, so it requires zero effort to stand. The flamingo is the national bird of the Bahamas. Flamingos are monogamous by nature and only lay around 1 egg per year. The brighter the feathers, the more well-fed the flamingo is. The feathers under their wings are black, which can only be seen when flying. The word flamingo comes from the Spanish and Latin word flamenco, which means fire. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye from me now.